for a while now, a lot of things been kind of brewing up in the brain about just the country in general, the society in general, about greed and corruption. And so it kind of further explains my fascination with a natural resource like bamboo. But I wanted to kind of express that or kind of communicate that on a video. And as you saw me on Facebook, I've been using this bamboo for a lot of different things, from eating it, from building crafts with it, to using it as the obvious purpose, and I think is the obvious thing to use with it, is a fishing pole. And I thought I'd talk more into that and kind of give a better explanation behind that. And but the main thing that I wanted to kind of discuss with you guys is the corruption and greed. And I feel like there's a lot of people like me who are very frustrated with the things that are going on right now. But you know, with any problem, it doesn't matter what kind of problem you're dealing with. If you're not doing anything about it, you're not solving the problem. And you know, unfortunately, I'm going to go ahead and say what I think the problem is. Too many people in this world right now have zero abilities or understanding that they can live off the land. And so if more people would not only do that but show that, I feel like then that would remove some of the power that is pushing all of us down, and it would kind of be an awakening for those who have the power and the greed, and those corrupt people that feel that they can just kind of do whatever they want to do. You know, if we as a collective or as a people could show that we don't need all these things that only they can provide, then we can kind of take back our power. We can kind of take back our voice as a people. You know, for many, many years, the power has been by the people. And slowly, over time, we have become so spoiled that I feel like we have lost our, not necessarily manhood, but our position of power. And I think it really has almost everything to do with our ability to utilize the resources that are natural and live off the land to sustain ourselves and live a normal, happy life. So with that said, this video I'm going to kind of show you some of the early stages of what I did with learning how I can use this material for a fishing pole. So to start out, I literally just cut a piece of bamboo and I replaced my rod with it. I used duct tape to attach my reel to the pole, and it worked. Using a sharp rock, you can drill a small hole in the end of the bamboo to run the line through the hole. You can actually just wrap the line one time around the very tip, and you can cast and reel. That's as big as I've ever caught them anyway, so I'll definitely take it on a bamboo pole. You know what I mean? I mean, that might even be 12-incher. But if I hold it like this, look how big it is now. Woo, giant. So I've recently learned that bamboo actually can produce some great cordage that would replace the duct tape. And I'm also considering a design for a reel that could be attached to the bamboo stalk. I don't know about you, but I'm real fed up with the greed that exists today. I don't think I'll ever buy another fishing rod since I have an unlimited supply growing in my backyard. I'm actually in the middle of designing a reel that will work well with these bamboo poles. And maybe sometime in the near future, I can proudly say that I'll never buy another reel. If you'd like to be a part of this journey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Doing Stuff channel. I hope to see you there. It was once said that America's forests were so dense and continuous that a squirrel could go from the Atlantic to the Mississippi without even touching the ground.